Floods are among the most devastating natural disasters, costing billions and endangering lives every year. But what if we could see the danger before it strikes? Today, we're diving into how interactive web maps and cloud-based platforms are transforming flood risk management using MAPOG. Let's look at it in more detail. Go to story.mapog.com first.